What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I'm gonna talk about a different type of tech product. Yeah, it's a very nice and unique tech product, but most of you may have never thought about this type of product. Yeah, I have been looking for a product like this because last few weeks I really had issues with sleeping. Like I couldn't fall asleep and I was like worried. Am I suffering in insomnia? I was like lying on the bed for hours after hours, but I couldn't fall asleep because I had anxiety issues and yeah, I don't know why. I was like suffering, and then I've started doing some research and I have even tried to get some sleeping therapy. I have talked to my friends, some peers, and suddenly one of my friends, actually a friend of my friend, told me that yeah, there is a product which is gonna come on to Kickstarter soon. If you'd like to try, then maybe you could get one. Well, I actually had to pull a lot of strings to get the product, and after I have got the product, I was like, okay, should I try or not? Will it be helpful or not? But as I am doing this honest review video today, as I'm wasting my precious time, actually not wasting, it's for a good cause and reason, you know that I'm already in love with this product. This is from MindLax. The name of the product is MindLax Sleeping Mat. Yeah, sometimes when you talk about sleeping mat, you think about, okay, maybe it's a sleeping pod or sleeping bag. It's neither a sleeping pod nor a sleeping bag. It's a sleeping mat. You need to put this one on your bed and then, yeah, it's gonna do its magic. So you will have a very tight sleep. Actually, there were two types of problem that I have been facing, that I couldn't sleep for a longer period of time, I couldn't fall asleep on time, and the most important thing is I didn't have enough deep sleep. Whenever we go to sleep, there are different stages of sleeps, like deep sleep, light sleep, REM, half awake. Yeah, there are a lot of stages. Maybe we don't ever think about that, but if you have a nice smartwatch like Apple Watch or any Pro smartwatch, those smartwatches will let you know like what is your sleep quality. Sometimes I have managed to fall asleep, but sleep quality was like so poor. So truly, I was like super worried, and this worry combined with my anxiety gave me a hard time. Thanks to MindLax one more time. Kudos to MindLax for bringing this to me and for manufacturing such a nice, such a wonderful product. Well, let me show you the box, let me do the unboxing, and then we will talk about other features. Here is it. Here is the box. This one actually comes in a pretty big box. You know that I do tech reviews, but usually I do smartphone review videos, so my setup isn't as big so that I can do a over-the-top unboxing. Let me do a quick unboxing for you. Let me show you what things comes inside the box. Here it is inside the box. This one comes in a pretty nice packaging, so that even if I want to travel, or even if you want to travel with this MindLax sleeping mat, we can do that easily. We don't have to think about and manage an extra carrying bag, because this one comes with its own carrying bag. Inside the box, you will get your MindLax sleeping mat, a user manual, more like a quick start guide, a very long, a very good quality USB-C to USB-C charging cable, and a nice tiny little USB-C 20-watt charging adapter. Here is our MindLax sleeping mat. Yeah, don't worry, I will actually demonstrate how to use this one on your bed, because I've been using this one on my bed, so I will show that to you soon. Yeah, there is a power on off button, and there is a LED indicator around the button, something like a ring light, and this one looks pretty nice, even if this one is a bit of a protruding thing. But when you fall asleep, when you are gonna sleep on this one isn't gonna make any trouble. This one won't obstruct anything. There are MindLax logos everywhere. This thing is actually built with premium quality materials, and this brand MindLax, the people, they have some trademarked technology like Neuro TIM, that's trademarked to MindLax, and they have used 48% nylon, 36% polyester fiber, and 16% spandex. So yeah, this one actually sits on any bed so easily. It's not gonna move around because they have added these fiber at the back, and yeah, the whole technology is actually in the center of this sleeping mat. The first thing is, if you're really having anxiety and if you want to refresh yourself, if you want to forget about all of your stresses, and if you want to feel much more refreshed every morning when you wake up, then you should think about this product. Well, this MindLax sleeping mat comes with its own application. Yeah, there is an application. The brand MindLax have actually developed their own application for this sleeping mat. Let me show you how to connect this sleeping mat with the application. But let me remind you that there are two different moods. One is sleeping mood and another is relax mood, like 20 to 30 minutes of relaxation, or you wanna start using 30 minutes before you sleep. There are different levels and you will only be able to unlock the levels after going through the current level. So yeah, if you haven't gone through the level 1, you won't be use level 2. If you haven't gone through level 2, then you won't be able to use level 3. Connect the mat, go to settings, and let me connect the mat. After you connect the mat with the application, then you will need to go through a survey. This survey is actually required to make sure that this one is providing you the support that you actually need, because different type of people with different type of health and mind status will require different type of support. It's making some sound and vibration. So this sound is not actually coming from any type of speaker. Inside they have different type of technology. Can you listen to that? It's so soothing. Especially you will need to experience it to use this. Well, let's go to my bedroom. Let me show you how do I use this one. Well, that's all about this MindLax sleeping mat. I'm totally surprised. I felt like this is magic, but after I have done some research and I have got to know that actually they have done a lot of researches before they have developed and manufactured this product. I'm in love with this product because whatever the technology they have used, it's not whatever the technology, they have trademarked technology, and this multi-frequency waveguide system, this one actually works very well. Before I wrap up, there are a few things I need to mention. If you are pregnant, then definitely you cannot use this one. After the first use, if you feel uncomfortable, then I think you should seek for guidance. But for any other usual people, this is a superb product. Not only that, even being a new product, MindLax is confident enough. They are offering 12 months of hassle-free warranty. So yeah, if anything happens to this product within 12 months, then definitely MindLax is gonna provide you the best support. If you have any question about this product, don't forget to make a comment in the comment section below. Either me or anyone from MindLax will be able to reply to your queries. And okay, one request, if you know about any other product like this, then please let me know in the comment section below. I will really be very happy to buy and try, because I had this anxiety issue, and after using this MindLax sleeping mat, my anxiety issues are gone. I'm feeling much more refreshed every morning. But if you think I should try something else, then why not? I will try to do a comparison and then you will know which one is better than the other. But for now, as far as I know, this one is gonna be the only one product available on the market, because this one is such a unique product that no other brands have ever done. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button. If you have loved this video, then please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and support honest content.